You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this fashion district or area in Japan. Look, that is famous there for being fashion design, very commercial fashion street. Japanese pronunciation, and then we'll get how you can say it in English. Harajuku district in Tokyo, Japan. Harajuku, or in English, Harajuku. It's famous now for Harajuku Barbies too. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.